Hello friends, welcome to my channel Simple Gardening Tips. So friends, today I'll show you how can you easily get rid of mealybug from plants. So friends, you know that our plants are attacked by mealybug all year round and especially in rainy season or at the end of the rainy season. So this mealybug attack almost all type of plants in our garden. But this mealybug infestation we see most often in hibiscus flower plant. Mealybug absorb plant sap and weaken the plant. They make a waxy coating on their bodies as they eat the sap of the plant. It also makes honeydew and attract ants and instant spread to different part of the plant. Over time, the damage causes the leaves to turn yellow and drop off. If you notice that your plant is covered with snow or has white spot on its leaves, you know that your plant has been attacked by mealybug. So friends, today I will show you how can you easily get rid of this mealybug from plants. So first I tell you that if your plant is attacked by a mealybug, cut the branches and throw them out of the garden if possible. So friends, you can see that I took rice in a ball here. So first we will take boiled rice and bottle. This time we will fill a handful of boiled rice in this bottle. This time we will fill this bottle with water but leave some part empty. After that I will shake the bottle well and then leave it in a shady place at least for 8 to 10 days. After 10 days, you can see that the color of the water has changed and this liquid has converted ethyl alcohol. This time we will fill this liquid in a spray bottle. Then I will clean the mealybug affected part of plant by spraying liquid properly. After a complete cleaning, we will spray neem oil on the plant. You can use any other pesticide if you want. I will use 5 to 6 ml of neem oil in 1 liter of water. After that, we use pesticide on the plants regularly. The plants will be completely healthy and the plants will be full of flowers and fruits. So friends, I hope you like this video very much, and if you like it, you must click thumbs up, share and also comment on this video in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Happy gardening.